Welcome back to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we will cover charting in depth. We will go over the scatter, line, bar, and histogram charts. First, let's add in our charting data. We'll drag in the file and run the pipeline. To open charting, enable the charting window and click into the charting window. We'll start with a scatter chart. We will use the test Y and test X objects for this chart. We'll see the chart populate. You can increase the height of the parameter window by dragging the outline up or vice versa if you want to decrease the size of the window. You can enable mouse wheel zoom with the right-click menu. To return to the default zoom, right-click and choose Reset Axes to plot data. You can change the background color using the right-click menu. We'll change the background color to a light gray for demonstration. And now back to white. Clicking the Test Y object will bring up its components. Clicking on a component will bring up the series options. We can adjust the series color, point marker, point size, line style, and line thickness. Now let's move on to the Properties tab for this chart. We will be able to adjust the chart title, X and Y axis titles, the legend, the horizontal and vertical axis. Let's add a new chart. First, we'll need to add a chart to this view. We can switch between the two charts we have created so far. Let's drag in the cosine object for our y-axis array. Let's adjust the series options for the component within the cosine object. And now we'll adjust the properties for this chart. Now let's export this chart as a PNG file. Now let's add a chart view next to our current view and remove the first two charts we created. Now we'll cover the bar chart. Let's drag in our test X and test Y data for this chart as well. Now let's change our series options. Now we'll move on to the series properties. Now let's export this chart. Quick note, if you already have a view open for a chart, you can open a secondary view, then move a chart to either the first or secondary view. Let's add in our wait time object for this histogram chart. First, let's adjust our series options like the name and color. Now we'll adjust our properties for this chart. Now we'll export our chart as a CSV file. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.